Hi there, welcome to this calculus tutorial. Today we're going to talk about solving limits that are undefined using a method called the L'Hopital's rule. So if I have a limit here, just like this, the limit as x approaches 0 of cosine x minus 1 divided by x squared, when I plug in 0 for x, because that's what the limit is asking for, I end up getting cosine of 0 minus 1 divided by 0 squared, which ends up being 0 over 0. Well, when that happens, whenever you have 0 divided by 0, or actually when you have infinity divided by infinity, that is when we need to use this L'Hopital's rule, because this here is considered undefined. We cannot actually evaluate this, so we need to use a different method. So I'm going to write this out again. We have our limit as x approaches 0 of cosine x minus 1 over x squared. And at this step, I'm going to use the L'Hopital's rule. And I'm just going to write LH to signify that I'm doing that. And this then becomes the limit as x approaches 0 of the derivative of both the top and the bottom. So the derivative of cosine x minus 1 is negative sine x, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. So now I can try plugging in 0. So I end up getting negative sine of 0 over 2 times 0. Well, that still is 0 over 0, which again is undefined. So what do we do at this point? Well, we do L'Hopital's rule one more time. So I'm going to bring down that limit that I started with, the negative sine x over 2x, and I'm going to do L'Hopital's rule again. Again, we just take the derivative of both the top and the bottom. So the derivative of negative sine x is negative cosine x. The derivative of 2x is simply 2. This is looking much better now. So I end up getting negative cosine of 0 over 2, which ends up being negative 1 over 2, or 1/2. And that there is my answer, negative 1/2. So we had to do L'Hopital's rule twice in order to get to this limit, but that is what we do if we have a limit that's undefined. We simply take the derivative of both the top and the bottom and then try the limit again. And sometimes that means using L'Hopital's rule twice, maybe even 3 times on a given problem. Hope this helps. See if you can find some other problems that are similar to it to practice these skills. Good luck!